So we do a lot of welding here in this shop. We do the shield metal arc welding where we have an electrode that's consumable, and we put an electrode holder and connect it to a power supply, bring the electrode down and do a scratch or a tap start and weld the two metals together. One of the real common methods we use is called gamma, gas metal arc welding. We have 3 of those machines. They're constant voltage, constant current machines. And inside this power supply is a spool of wire. And we can run, again, the ferrous and non-ferrous wires. This is mild steel. And there's a servo motor that pushes the wire out the hose, through the gun handle, out the nozzle. And we're also running a shielding gas that runs through the line and comes out the nozzle and removes the atmosphere, getting rid of hydrogen and oxygen, which induce embrittlement and porosity in welds. And the wire is consumable. It's a real fast method of welding. We'll run up to over 300 inches per minute on this wire. A real versatile, real easy welding procedure.